Aston Villa has played its best match of the season. Oh my god, I can't even contain my happiness. I'm so excited. We were playing against Bournemouth. It was a home match and we have won 4-0. Oh my god. Today's match, I mean, it was so entertaining to watch. I think the whole team has contributed to this win. Defense, as usual, was super strong, super strong. Oh my god, those two beautiful saves by Konsa, I can't get over them. They were so good. So in the first half, Bournemouth got a free kick very close to the goal, okay, and I was extremely worried. But I also realized that sometimes that when you're that close to the goal post, it gets very difficult to score a goal, and that's what happened. They were not able to do it, and minutes later, we get a same free kick very close to their goal post, and I assumed that. Our fate would be the same, but Bundia took that free kick, and oh my god, what a beautiful goal! Like it went so cleanly inside the goal post. It was so good. And that's not it. Like we just had a set piece victory, and then like moments later, Onana gets a pass by Rogers, and Rogers, I mean, it didn't look like he's going to pass it to Onana. In fact, Onana was like, if you go to that moment, Onana is just walking on the field, like he's not even, he didn't even assume that the ball is going to come to him. And but as soon as it came, he kicked it inside, and again he was even outside the D. But what a player! He scored from outside the D, again a very beautiful looking goal, and all of this has happened just in the first half of the game. The second half starts, and oh my god, the substitutes come in, and then Barkley scores so soon after coming as a substitute, and that wasn't it. Like you would think that now the team will focus on defending, but that beautiful goal set by Tielemans, I think for me it is Tielemans' goal only. But any which way, it touched Marlin before going inside the goal post, and that's how we scored our fourth goal. And it was so good. It is such an exhilarating feeling. But in spite of all of this, I think my best moment for the match is Martinez's save. Oh my god, he had one very difficult save. He jumped and saved it, and he showed agility, and he also reminded us that why he's the greatest goalkeeper. And then you think that is it, but no, wait for the last thing. Then they get a penalty. Bournemouth gets a penalty, and then oh my god, Martinez is so good with penalty saves. I have made a whole video about it, but yeah, he saved the penalty, and that's how I can say that how the whole team has contributed to this victory. I'm so happy. I'm not able to, because this frame is small, I'm not able to show you how jumpy I feel. I want to shout at the top of my voice up the Villa. There's a good international break. I'm looking forward to what lies next for us. Till then, I'm so happy. I hope you're too.